Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Claude app freezing on its loading screen and never actually opening up a chat? Here's the fix. First, open a browser on your phone and go to claude.status.com. This is Anthropic's own live status page and shows in real lifetime if Claude's app are experiencing an outage without needing to go in anywhere. If everything shows normal there, go to your settings, then toggle your airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn them back off, which fully resets your network connection and clears the stalled session. Force close the Claude app completely from your recent apps. Then wait for a few hours and then reopen it fresh on that reset connection. If it's still stuck loading, then go to your settings, go to General, go to iPhone storage, find Claude to the list of app list. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap offload app. This will clear corrupted cache. Then go to your app store, search for Claude and reinstall it fresh. Your account and chat history stays safe since everything is stored on Anthropic's servers, not your device. So all you've got to do is check your status.claude.com first, reset with airplane mode, force close and reopen, then offload and reinstall if needed. Claude loads normally and that's it. Subscribe.